Hey guys, imagine if that power button on the side of your Samsung phone could do more than just turn your screen on and off. What if, with just a double press, you could instantly launch Google Assistant and control your phone hands-free? Sounds cool, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. All right, let's dive right in. First, open up the settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and find the menu called Modes and Routines. Once you're inside, go to the Routines section and tap the plus button to add a new one. You'll see an option that says Add Trigger under the If part. Tap on that, then choose Start Manually. Now move to the Then part. Tap Add, select Apps, then choose Open an App. From here, look for Google Assistant in the list. If you don't see it, no worries, just head over to the Play Store, install it, and come back to the step. Once you've got it selected, tap Save. Don't forget to give your new routine a name and an icon so it's easy to recognize later. Okay, now let's connect this routine to your side button. Go back into Settings, scroll to Advanced Features, and tap on Side button. Make sure the double press option is turned on, then tap it. Normally it's set to open the camera, but we're going to switch that to Modes and Routines. Once you do that, select the routine you just created for Google Assistant. And that's it. Now, every time you double press the power button, instead of launching the camera, your phone will open up Google Assistant right away. Pretty awesome, right? A tiny tweak like this makes your phone way more useful, and it feels almost like you've unlocked a hidden feature. Try it out and let me know in the comments what custom routines you'd set for your side button. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.